Shopping at Architect House Plans is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Once you find your dream home, the plan that you purchase at architecthouseplans.com is everything the builder will need to construct your dream home. You can browse your plan by stories, bedrooms, bathrooms, garages, by size, by style, and by the features that you want in your home. Below we have featured plans, 1-story, 2-story popular plans, and even homes featured in drone videos. Let's go ahead and purchase our dream home. In this instance, I know I want a home that's at least 1,500 square feet. Plan 1243-9861. That looks great. So we click View Details to see more. View your pricing options. These options to the left are available for instant download. After you make your purchase, you will have all downloadable files needed to build your home. You also have the hard copy options to the right. These options will be shipped to you and also include everything needed to construct your home. You can simply hand these plans over to a builder and they can start the process. For this demonstration, we'll go ahead and do an instant download of a plan. After we click Instant Download, if we already have an account, we can simply log in. Otherwise, if we're new, we'll go ahead and register an account. After you complete your registration, you move on to Step 2. In this instance, we're going to choose a PDF download option because we're happy to receive the files in a digital format. In Step 3, select Reverse Plan if you'd like a mirror image of your house plan. Confirm your billing information is correct and then choose your payment method. We accept credit, debit card, or PayPal. In this instance, we'll choose PayPal. If you have a coupon code, you can enter it here. Review your order. Next, you'll be redirected to PayPal's checkout. Simply log into PayPal to complete your purchase, and you'll be redirected back to our site to download your files. You'll also receive an email link to download your house plan as well. Any questions? Don't hesitate to give us a call. And thanks for shopping architecthouseplans.com.